Yo, what's up everybody? In this video, I'm gonna be showing you guys how you guys can fix your Instagram not posting photos. So let's say you're trying to post a photo on Instagram and the photo just does not post, alright? The first reason could be it could be your internet connection. 9 out of 10 people who says they're facing this problem, literally they don't check their internet connection. So what you can do is you can go on YouTube to watch a video, or you can just go on a random website. So I'm gonna go on my website over here, and if a simple website like this loads up in a second, it's not your internet connection. But let's say just for loading a website it takes you 2 or 3 minutes, then it's your internet connection. So make sure to switch into a strong internet connection or a faster internet connection, or switch into a data connection, alright? But let's say your internet is not a problem, then it could be that your Instagram has not been updated for a long period of time. So you can go on App Store and you can search for Instagram, alright? Once you search for Instagram, if it says update over here, it means you need to click on the update button to update your Instagram to the latest version. But if it says open over here, just like in my screen, it means that your Instagram is up to date. You don't have to worry about anything, alright? So let's say you update your Instagram, your Wi-Fi is fast and you're still facing the problem, then it could be that you uploaded too many photos. So Instagram only allows you to upload like 6 or 7 photos in a day if your account is not verified. If your account is verified, the number is great. I don't know the exact number, but if your account is verified, you can upload more photos, alright? But let's say your account is not verified and you're trying to post more than 10-20 photos in a day, then it's not gonna work, because Instagram thinks that's a bot activity. You're just spamming photos on Instagram trying to get more people to follow you. So Instagram might think that's a bot activity, so they're not gonna allow you to post more photos or videos on that day. So you can only post let's say 5 photos or videos in a day, alright? Limit it to 5. If you want to go more, make it 8, but not more than 8, alright? And yeah, that should fix the problem. But you're still facing the problem even if you're not uploading too many photos. What you can do is go on your profile at the bottom of your screen, click on the 3 line, go on setting, go on help, go on report a problem, go on where it says report a problem without shaking. Alright, you want to write this: I tried to upload photo on Instagram and it doesn't allow me to, can you help me fix it? And click on next at the top, and this report is going to be sent to Instagram staff will view it and they'll help you fix your problem, alright? And the last thing you can do is delete your Instagram, reinstall it again. Sometimes due to a bug as well, it causes this problem, so deleting and reinstalling your Instagram might fix it. So yeah, that's how you guys can fix your Instagram not posting photo. Hope you understand the problem and how you guys can fix it. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel one step. I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.